Hi everyone from Baker Street Labs. Say it's Sunday afternoon. So we're going outside doing some peas and poops, huh? Peas and poops going on out here. Yeah. So we had a nice Sunday of sleeping. So we got so worn out from yesterday, didn't we? Yes, we did. We got very worn out. You're tired from everybody, huh? We met a lot of very nice people, huh? See, everybody found their forever family. Yeah. See, this is Charlie. Yep. And who we got over here? Oh, that's Maeve. And Goose. Goose, yeah. And who's that? Daisy May. And who we got right there? Nella. Woo. Nella. Look how pretty she is. Hi. See, everyone's got families and they all got new names. Yay!
And they're pooping outside.
Yeah, they're pooping outside. So we just woke everybody up, came outside, and we did some poops. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud. Whoa, whoa. Charlie, what are you doing? Trying to wear you guys out. You take another long nap, huh? Yeah.
Whoa.
Sun's about to set.
Who's got the duck? It's Goose beating up a duck. Waka, waka, waka. Nella's underneath. There she is. Maeve, getting it.
What are you doing, Charlie? What are you doing?
We're hanging out.
Woo, woo. A burst of energy right there, huh? A burst of energy there, Goose. Whoa. Daisy. Oh, my Lord, Daisy May. Whoa. Whoa. You're just playing so good over here by yourself, aren't you, Maeve? Hey, Charlie.
Love my good and plenty. Charlie said. This is nice. A little chocolate match right here. Yeah. There you go.
Whoa. I don't think that Goose like that. Oh, good girl. Good pig.
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. All right. That's what we want to see. Peas and poops outside.
Check it out the new 2025 shoe.
Poop man.
What is that on?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Round two. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, there they go.
Look at Charlie. She's trying to get the hose. She's like, I want the hose.
You got no teammate. I can't help you. I can't help you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. She's like, I want to play. I want to play. Oh, she's being so playful. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, go look for poop.
Oh, good girl. She peeing? Did you pee? Did you just pee? You being a good girl or you just playing? Okay, I wasn't sure. I didn't catch that. Oh, we got someone playing with one of the trucks.
Ooh, that's Goose. Working on
Whoa,
your
get
truck.
that truck. You working on that truck? Okay, yeah, just like I said, chew on everything.
Ooh. Hey, that's not that. Somebody's gonna
Whoa.
say good tonight.
I know. Look at you guys. Got a huge burst of energy going on.
That is an ear hole. Oh, yep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's that moose? He's got the ball.
That's Goose.
Is that Goose? Why did I say moose? I
Because
said
Goose
moose.
have a yellow collar too.
Yeah, yeah.
And his chocolate.
That's Goose.
And his
Yeah.
white.
It's Goose though.
That's the loose the goose right there.
It's Goose. It's like a plan.
Well,
You like these baby toys. You like these baby toys, don't you? They're fun, huh? She has something to play with and chew on. Woo, woo, woo! Get a little turbo boost over there.
Hey, if that toy is bigger than you, what you doing with that?
Don't eat the grass, Goose. Don't eat the grass. It's fake. It's not real. Give you guys toys. Not the grass. Don't chew up on the grass.
Whoa, Charlie, I'm taking my toys and I'm going home. Meow. Get him, man.
What is she trying to get under there? There's nothing under there. There's nothing under there. Nothing under there. There's all these toys, and you just gotta sit there and try to find something. There's nothing under there, you goofball.
Still has it though. Oh, I let go. Here you go.
Leave me alone. So now you got everybody looking. There's nothing there. You weirdos. There probably is something there, isn't there? Probably some little toy got shoved up underneath there. Just like a lab. Something rolls under the couch, forget it. It's over. That's all they're going to focus on until you get that toy from underneath that couch. Ugh. What are you doing? You giving up? Nothing under there. There's nothing under there. There's nothing under there, weirdos. There's nothing under there. Try to tell you. Nothing under there. Daisy May, you got everybody convinced there's something there. Hi, how are you? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Whoa, whoa. I'm running. All right, guys, we just wanted to say happy Sunday. It was so nice meeting everybody yesterday. 4 more weeks. Got 4 more weeks. Less than 4 more weeks now, actually. They'll be coming home. So we just wanted to say thank you. We had a great time, and we're going to say goodbye now. Say bye now from Baker Street Labs.